Picture this: a bounced check, a legal proceeding, and multiple bank accounts. What ties these together? A recent Supreme Court decision that has shaken the foundations of financial transactions. On December 4th, 2023, the court made a landmark ruling regarding bounced check cases under Section 138 of the Negotiable Instruments Act. The bench stated in no uncertain terms that having sufficient funds in other bank accounts cannot be used as a defense. This decision marks a significant turning point in how bounced checks and financial liabilities are handled in legal proceedings. Now, let us delve into the intricacies of the case that led to this groundbreaking decision. This narrative began when Dharam Singh, the respondent, filed complaints for the dishonor of different checks issued by the accused, Harpal Singh. Dharam Singh had invested in Harpal Singh's company with the promise of a certain return. However, one of these checks was returned unpaid due to insufficient funds. Despite this, the accused argued he had ample funds in other bank accounts. The case was taken to the trial court, then the High Court, and finally the Apex Court. Despite the appeal and the argument of having sufficient funds in other accounts, the Apex Court upheld the conviction. The Supreme Court, in its wisdom, had a clear stance on this issue. The crux of their decision was straightforward. The accused cannot bank on other accounts when a specific check bounces due to insufficient funds. They drew a clear line in the sand, rejecting the argument that having ample funds in separate bank accounts could justify the dishonored check. The court dismissed the counsel's argument, pointing out that at the time the checks were issued, the appellant did not have sufficient funds in the concerned account. In no uncertain terms, they maintained that the accused's financial responsibility lay with the specific account from which the check was issued. This decision, dismissing the appeal, reinforces the importance of financial responsibility and accountability in our society.